All right, this is a demonstration of the STEMWorks developed Hero Card, Fan Card, Augmented Reality experience. It's driven by the Zappar app, which is a free download. So we're going to touch that and we are going to launch the app, which is then going to ready it to look for the Zappar code or just like a QR code. And it's going to register that and unlock the experience. Today we're going to be doing two methods with the fan card printed out, and then we'll also be able to engage this right from the computer. So you've got the Wayne Taylor logo spinning around in there, and then we're going to be able to touch on each driver and pull up their experience, and then we're going to get an autograph. So that's Ricky Taylor. I've got his autograph, and right now you'd want to take a screen capture of that and go ahead and crop that so that you can send it off to your friends or print that out. So next up, we're going to reset, and we are going to go down to the computer experience. So if you just want to engage this right from your desktop and you don't have a printer handy, which we want to save some paper, just go right here over to the screen. It's still engaged. Now we're going to go ahead and move through the drivers. We're going to pull up Philippe Albuquerque. Here we go. And it pulls him up. And then we'll also get his autograph. And then we do a screen capture there. And then we're going to move on. We're going to reset, grab the next driver. Yeah. We've got Alexander Rossi. We're going to get his autograph. Okay, moving along. And last but not least, Helio Castroneves. And now we'll get his autograph. Signs that, screen capture that, and then we'll reset out of that. And then also we've got a couple extra icons to link to partners with the Wayne Taylor Racing team. Of course, you want to be able to link to the team. And so you touch on that and it launches the website for that. There we go, Wayne Taylor Racing. So we'll head back to the app. And then of course we're going to step through and we're going to hit the Konica Minolta. And that's going to take us to their homepage. If you want to learn more about Konica Minolta and what they're up to. And then we'll step out of that. And then we're going to move on to the key sponsor there with Wayne Taylor Racing with Harrison Contracting. So we'll touch on that, and that'll launch them. Of course, depending on how many sponsors you have, you can create an experience that links to all the different sponsors on your page. And so we'll step back out of that, and that completes the STEMWorks Konica Minolta Wayne Taylor Racing Augmented Reality app.